Good afternoon, people from YouTube. My name is Emiliano Diaz. Today I will tell to you about the function of the fuselage and its types. Aircraft fuselage introduction. The fuselage is the most important part of the aircraft structure. It provides the necessary space to house passengers, crew, and cargo. Throughout aeronautical history, aircraft fuselage have evolved. Fuselage function. The fuselage is the primary structure of the aircraft. Inside it, the pilots and passengers are housed, as well as the cargo that travels inside the plane. In addition, inside there are different aircraft systems such as landing gear, air and conditioning, APU, etc. Fuselage type. Lattice fuselage. It is made of welded steel tubes that join the different frames of the plane. This construction is old and is not suitable for aircraft flying at high speed. Once the structure is assembled, it is covered with fabric, wood or metal. It is also known as a tubular fuselage. The elements that we find inside are the frames, strange and diagonals. This grading gives this type of fuselage the final aerodynamic shape. Although it is at very light coating, it hardly has any resistance. Monocoque fuselage. Monocoque fuselage are characterized by being at tube formed by a metal sheet with frames inside. Unlike the reticular, the resistance is much higher. This feature allows this aircraft to fly at higher altitudes. Semi-monocoque fuselage. Semi-monocoque fuselage eliminate the monocoque weight problem by adding new elements, stringers and stringers. It is the most used today. The stringers join the frames together and are the most important longitudinal reinforcements. The stringers have a secondary function to give shape to the structure. These elements eliminate the effect of blocking in the structure of the aircraft. The existence of these two new elements allows of other sheet metal to be much thinner, which lightens the weight of the plane. That is why it is the solution used today in all types of aircraft. In conclusion, it is very important to know what it is, the function, and the types of fuselage for the reason that the fuselage have been improving over time. Some planes still have many types of fuselage depending on the function they will give to the aircraft. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.